dad had always had this recipe for a burger that he always make for like family events, and it was so good. I'm like, Dad, we should totally do this at the restaurant. And it just kind of blew up and became like a staple in London. Being immigrants from Greece, you know, when you come over, you're trying to figure out what you want to do for your living when you're situating here. And they happen to get into the restaurant industry. They had originally started with like this diner called Pickles, which was on Richmond. Then they opened this pizza joint Italian restaurant called Mario's and Jags. Then that kind of segued into doing catering and like mass events and weddings. So it's been a long line of lots of food. The one thing that everyone can expect is that every day we're in there grinding our meat fresh. That's the number one thing that will never change. We have a secret recipe where it's done exactly to a mathematical formula. Our goal is to make it consistent and come out the same every time. So the one thing for sure is that the meat is always fresh and always the same. The awards, we had no idea. Just one day, this company, Big 7 Travel, they're called, which is a massive blog basically, had announced that they had voted us the second best burger in Canada, which was crazy, and it just blew up and went viral. And then a month later they released their best burgers in the world, and we had made the top 10. So we literally had no idea that was coming. They didn't tell us that they were coming by the restaurant to try all these places out. So it was totally randomized, and it was really cool, and it gave us definitely a huge viral effect.